Hey guys, it's me, Johnny. I'm gonna show you how much Nerf guns I have. This is one victorious. So I'm gonna start off for one gun. I'm gonna show you right now. Wait. Here's one of my mega guns. This is one I really like. Here's my second gun. It's a big gun. Here's my other gun. It's a Mega 2. Here's the other gun. It's my crossbow. Here's my other gun. This is my good gun. I really like. I play. This is this gun. I really like. I like playing with this one. Really good. This is really good gun. And my last gun, my machine gun. I like this one very much. We play with this one very much. I kill a lot of people with this gun. Not like really kill, but we play Nerf war. So this is all my guns I have put out Nerf. So hope you like this video and peace.